ChatGPT.
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 It's true. It's extremely powerful.
This will change everything.
AI will replace a lot of jobs that we're used to these days.
With AI is going to completely change what people can expect from search.
I don't think we are remotely ready for what's coming.
That's a bit dramatic, but this got me thinking, and I thought ChatGPT and OpenAI, they can start now writing essays and they can do code for you and they can do a little bit of everything. So I thought, well, I want to review the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but I haven't got time to write a script. So I decided to ask ChatGPT to write that script for me. So every word that you hear in this video after the intro has all been written by ChatGPT. I have not written a single part of it. All the words that you hear will be right from that OpenAI. So let's give it a go and use OpenAI to review the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm excited to give you an in-depth review of the latest addition to the Samsung Galaxy lineup, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, let's talk about design. The S23 Ultra boasts a sleek and modern design with a metal frame and glass back. It has a large 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 and a 120Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for watching videos or even playing games. The display also supports HDR10+ for an even more vivid viewing experience. Moving on to the camera, the S23 Ultra has an impressive setup that includes a 108 megapixel primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and two 10 megapixel telephoto cameras, one of which has a 3x optical zoom. The camera also includes features such as 8K video recording, single take photo, and improved low light photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is powered by the latest Exynos 2100 processor, 12 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of storage. It runs on Samsung's One UI 3.1 based on Android 11, which is smooth and easy to use. It also has an in-display fingerprint sensor for added security. Battery life on the S23 Ultra is great with a 5000 mAh battery that can last you all day. And if you do need to recharge, it supports fast charging and even faster charging with the included charger. So what do you think of the Galaxy S23 Ultra overall? I think it's a great phone for anyone looking for a large display, impressive camera setup, and powerful performance. It's definitely on the pricier side, but you are getting a lot of features for your money. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. See you in the next one. There we go, an entire video reviewed by OpenAI, and every single word that I spoke was written not by me, by just a random chatbot. So I think it did a pretty decent job compared to some of the videos that I've done on this channel. But let me know what you think of that OpenAI chatbot, giving it its fullest, biggest go to try and review a phone, a Galaxy S23 Ultra. And if you did enjoy the video, then of course you've heard it already. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you do all of that, then I'll see you later.